Everyone, it's Amanda here coming to you with a quick PowerPoint presentation about Impact Mailing Club. And I'm only going to take up a little bit of your time to tell you about this direct mailing opportunity that's available for everyone that's in the United States and Canada. For those that don't know, I am a full-time online, offline marketer, single mom of two, and I've been doing this since 2016, earning a full-time income and showing others how to do the same. Direct mail marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn a full-time income, and for those who are looking to leave their job, veterans, retirees, students, this is something that you may want to take a look at. Also, anyone who is looking to either replace their income or looking for additional income, this is the route you may want to take. So just to give you a little bit of information about Impact Mailing Club. What is Impact Mailing Club? It is a direct mail business opportunity where you can have the opportunity to earn a full-time income from home. When you decide to become a member of Impact Mailing Club, you will receive the reseller license at whatever level you decide to join at, okay? And so how does a direct mailing business work? When you decide to become a member of Impact Mailing Club, the company will provide you with high quality mailing leads of people who are interested in working from home. Okay, you will also get the training, resources, cover letter, and a PDF through email and a hard copy of your personalized order form. Whenever any of the mailing leads decides to become a member, you will receive a cash commission and stamps sent to you directly from your referrals. So this is a member-to-member program, no middleman. This opportunity is perfect for students, retirees, veterans, stay-at-home parents, those looking for additional income, or those that are looking to replace their income. Just about anyone is able to get involved in this opportunity as long as you live in the United States or Canada. When you become a member, you are going to receive a welcome package and guide, exclusive mailing community, which is on Facebook, invites to exciting company events around the United States, 5-star customer service support, unlimited opportunity for growth and income, peel and stick mailing labels, support team assistance, fast and reliable delivery of your welcome kit, exclusive members discount for those who would like to purchase additional mailing leads. Now, they have 4 different levels that you can come in at when you decide to join Impact Mailing Club. The diamond level being the highest level will allow you to receive payouts at that level and also the levels that are below it. The cost for the diamond package is a total of $2,000, plus you will need to send in 5 books of stamps. That's going to allow you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions at the first level and $500 level commissions at the second level. As a Sapphire member, it's going to cost you $500 total plus 4 book of stamps, and that's going to allow you to get $300 unlimited for each person that signs up with you at the Sapphire level. You're going to also receive 400 leads in the mail. At the Ruby level, it's going to cost you $250 and 4 books of stamps and allow you to get unlimited $150 commissions at the first level, $50 commissions at the second level. You're going to also receive 200 peel and stick labels. And as the Emerald package, it's only a cost of $100, and you have to send in 2 books of stamps, and that's going to allow you to get unlimited $65 commissions at the first level, $20 commissions at the second level, and you're going to also receive 100 peel and stick labels. Okay, so these are the different packages that they have available, and you will get the reseller license for the level you come in at, and also be able to collect at any level below those levels when you become a member of the Impact Mailing Club. And then what we have, last but not least, team bonuses. And what I do is I take people by the hand and let them know of the different things that I've done to accomplish a 6-figure income on and offline. And what you're going to be able to do is get a short PowerPoint presentation that will tell you about all of the bonuses that we have available when you decide to become a member of my team. Okay, so make sure to click on the next link that will give you the team bonuses that are extremely exciting, and it's going to help you to start earning fast, and not only that, earning consistently when it comes to direct mail marketing. Okay, so thanks so much for viewing this video, and have a great day.